Like a crash, the whole thing spun out. Oh, on a wire, we were dancing. Two kids, no consequences. No trigger without thinking. There's only one way down this road. It was like a time bomb set in motion. We knew that we were destined to explode. And if I had to pull you out of the wreckage, you know I'm never gonna let you go.